Hello everyone. Welcome to this introductory video on Docker Compose. Docker Compose is about multi-container application orchestration. So, what exactly is Docker Compose? Docker Compose is a tool designed for defining and running multi-container Docker applications. It achieves this by using a simple YAML file to configure your application services. Docker Compose addresses the challenges of managing complex, multi-container applications. Without Compose, one has to manually manage multiple containers using complex Docker run commands. With Compose, a simple YAML configuration file defines the entire application stack. Let's take a look at the basic structure of a docker-compose.yml file. The file begins by specifying the version, in this case version 3.8. Next, we define the services. Here we have two services: Web, which uses the Nginx image, and Database, which uses the Postgres image. Docker Compose offers several key benefits. First, it provides simple setup, allowing you to start your entire application stack with a single command. Second, it allows easy management, giving you unified control over multiple containers. Third, it ensures reproducibility, providing consistent environments across development teams. Fourth, it supports version control, enabling infrastructure as code with YAML configuration. Here are two essential Docker Compose commands. To start your services, use the command docker compose up. To stop your services, use the command docker compose down. Let's examine a real-world example of a web application with a PostgreSQL database defined in a docker-compose.yml file. Under Services, we define two services, Web and DB. The web service uses the Python 3.9 image and exposes port 5000. The DB service uses the Postgres version 13 image and sets the PostgreSQL database environment variable to my app. In summary, Docker Compose simplifies multi-container applications with declarative YAML configuration and single command orchestration. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.